Hey guys, let me tell you a quick secret, just a quick secret right now. Yeah, if you have money and you're looking for ways to see how you can grow that money without you going into a business or without you keeping it in the bank, you want to grow your money. The best way to actually grow that money right now is invest in the stock market or the crypto market. This is the best time for you to get in because the market is down. The stock market is down. The crypto market is down. The drums of war is actually rolling in Ukraine, Russia, the US, EU. There's a whole lot of things going on right now, and the market is reacting to this stuff. It's time for you to actually get in now that it is low and watch it grow within a year or two. All I'm saying is invest. I'm not asking you to trade right now because there's a massive difference with investing and trading. We're looking at long-term growth. Invest. This is the time for you to actually get in. Buy now that is low and watch your money grow. If you're already invested in the stock market, this is not the time for you to panic and take your money away. Instead, it's the time for you to average your cost of investment. Dollar cost average. Buy more and watch your money grow in the future. So that's it there for this video. That's my little secret for you today. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell. Have a good one. Bye now.